Okay, so this is part 2 to the video I was just at, or you were probably just at. So gonna explain to you how I been installing this. So you do kind of have to put it in at the same time to match up with the blower motor seals with the box right here. Right here it's lined up. I have absolutely no bolts, nothing is holding this up. So once you do that, you kind of want to get the blower motor in first and sit it here. Sit it on these without putting the screws on. There's one other hole at the top. Well, there's the top mounting hole right there. So that's how you know you're straight, and that's gonna be the first. Let's see how I can wiggle it around. That's gonna be the first screw I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna do it by hand first. Start it by hand. I got it right here in the tip of this. But before that, you want to make sure that everything is lined. You want to make sure that this has gone through the firewall, and your pipes on the top of the HVAC box, I mean, you wouldn't be able to fit it as far if those weren't in. And make sure that your cables and your connectors are not dragged in somewhere. Other than that, you see I got my holes pretty much, my bolt holes pretty much lining up right here. So I am good. And like I said, there's no screws holding it up. It pretty much just holds itself up once you go in together. And you could even just give it some knocks and stuff. That's what I was doing, kind of making sure that everything is going up and straight. This kind of feels weird, but I'm gonna check it from the front real quick. And okay, so there's my pipes. These are the lines that I'll be connecting to it, and then your breather hole should be way down here somewhere. Let me see. Can I see it? It's kind of hard to see with the light. I can't even see it. I know it's around here somewhere. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to go in by hand, so I will go right here. It's almost directly underneath these. So, where is it? Where is it? It's where is it? I have the there should be like a little there it goes. Yeah, so it's through. If I could check it, it's about right. You see where my finger is right there? My fingertip is on it. So yeah, you can't see it. The firewall's blocking it. You stick your hand in, and you can feel that the holes right, that little dick that's sticking out from the H box is poked through. So it's pretty much lined up. Once I screw everything down, it's very messy. This car used to have a bad leak, so I haven't been able to get that area, but I did get most of it ready. Pretty good engine so far. I did install, since I'm here now, a brand new condenser and a brand new dryer. And I cleaned all the lines except this condenser didn't come with the line holders. So these lines, I think once I attach them all, they're gonna be on there pretty hard, but it didn't have any grippers here. It's only being gripped on by the grippers the whatever these things are called that I already had. And there's one attachment here, and then other than that, these foam This foam was like falling apart right here on this end. I wrapped it with aluminum tape and did the same on this end right here. I didn't remove the foam. The foam was still complete, just torn. So all I did was wrap aluminum tape around it to hold it tight, and it should be fine. And I'll be able to install these here pretty soon.